Hey tech enthusiasts, have you ever thought about how the media shapes what we see and hear? Well, it looks like the FCC, our government's communications watchdog, is stepping in with a surprising move to keep things fair. They're about to bring in a babysitter to ensure CBS isn't playing favorites when it comes to politics, especially concerning former President Trump. So, what does this mean? The FCC wants to ensure that major broadcasters like CBS provide balanced news coverage, giving all sides a fair shot. This is crucial in our increasingly polarized world, where biased reporting can influence public opinion. By monitoring CBS, the FCC aims to promote fairness and prevent any potential slant against Trump or any political figure. Why should you care? Well, the media shapes our understanding of events, and having unbiased coverage directly impacts how we form opinions. If you like keeping your news balanced and credible, then this is a big deal. Key takeaway? Stay informed, follow different news sources, and don't just settle for one perspective. The more aware you are of who's managing the news, the better equipped you are to understand the world around you. Let's dive into the news today and keep our media honest. This is today's tech update for July 26, 2025.